Good morning. I am Harshit, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, Krutrim unveils pricing strategy for Ola Maps. OpenAI launches GPT-4o Mini. Major global Microsoft Windows outage. Blue screen of death error reported. Major security breach at WazirX. $234 million in digital assets stolen. SIMBA AI-powered crime detection tool by Nagpur police. Netflix growth in India. Apple refutes claims of using YouTube videos for AI training and more. Krutrim has announced a new roadmap and pricing strategy for Ola Maps, focusing on enhancing India's digital landscape with powerful APIs and SDK for startup, academia, and developers. This initiative aims to boost India's tech scene and promote digital independence. Routes API provides smart direction considering traffic and info for various transport modes, including two-wheelers and toll details. Place API allow users to find nearby spots, perform natural language searches, and get detailed info about places. Map integration offers option for embedding geographical data into apps with both simple map image and interactive map available. Web SDK supports adding custom markers, info windows, heat maps, and more to web apps with localization into Indian languages. Android and iOS SDKs provide native support for dynamic maps, custom markers, and controls, with the same localization and customization features as the web version. Bhavish Agrawal, founder of Krutrim and Ola CEO, emphasized the goal of creating advanced and affordable mapping tools for Indian developers. Next, we have OpenAI has introduced GPT-4o Mini, a cost-effective and powerful AI model designed to make artificial intelligence more affordable and accessible. This model aims to provide high performance at a lower cost, catering to various applications. Priced at 15 cents per million input tokens and 60 cents per million output tokens, GPT-4o Mini is significantly cheaper than previous models like GPT-3.5 Turbo. The model scores 82% on the MMLU benchmark and surpasses GPT-4o on the LMSYS leaderboard for chat preferences. Supports text and vision inputs, with plans to include image, video, and audio input and output in the future. Context window of 128K tokens and supports up to 16K output tokens per request. Improved tokenizer for cost-effective handling of non-English text, excels in reasoning, maths, and coding tasks with high scores in mathematical reasoning and coding performance on benchmark like MGSM and Human Eval. Microsoft Windows users worldwide are encountering blue screen of death (BSOD) errors. Users are reporting issues on microblogging platform X, formerly Twitter. Users are experiencing BSOD with their laptops, PCs getting stuck in a restart loop. Many users have shared screenshots of the error message and expressed their frustrations online. Low-cost airline Frontier had to cancel some flights in the US due to the outage. Our systems are currently impacted by a Microsoft outage, which is also affecting other companies. We appreciate your patience, stated Frontier has quoted by the Wall Street Journal. The company is investigating the issue affecting user access to various Microsoft 365 apps and services. WazirX, India's largest crypto exchange, lost $234 million worth of digital assets. The exchange has suspended withdrawals until further notice to protect remaining assets. The stolen amount represents nearly half of WazirX's total asset. Crypto executive warned of potential volatility following the breach, urging caution among investors. WazirX confirmed the breach on X, formerly Twitter. We are aware that one of our multi-sig wallets has experienced a security breach. Our team is actively investigating the incident to ensure the safety of your assets. INR and crypto withdrawals will be temporarily paused. A multi-sig or multi-signature wallet requires two or more private keys to unlock and withdraw funds, providing an extra layer of security. One of WazirX's multi-sig wallet was compromised, leading to the significant loss. Liminal Custody, which services some of WazirX's wallets, stated its platform was not compromised. Nagpur police have launched SIMBA, an advanced AI-powered solution developed by Statue Technologies to enhance law enforcement capabilities. SIMBA stands for System Integrated for Monitoring and Big Data Analysis and incorporates Crime GPT, an AI tool for effective crime detection and analysis. Delivers swift information from various data sources such as CCTV feeds, images, and audio related to crime and criminals. Integrated into a digitized database of 150,000 criminals, provides customized information based on specific prompts with features like facial recognition and speaker identification, enhances public security and improve efficiency in maintaining law and order by providing real-time alerts, facilitates faster retrieval of information and streamlines investigative processes, aids ongoing criminal investigations and enable better data collection across various law enforcement centers. Ravinder Singhal, Commissioner of Police Nagpur, emphasized the tool's role in enhancing public security and aiding investigations. Atul Rai, co-founder and CEO of Staku Technologies, highlighted the company's commitment to providing cutting-edge technology to law enforcement agencies. Next up, we have India has become a significant market for Netflix, especially in terms of paid subscriber additions and revenue growth. The June quarter of 2024 saw substantial growth for Netflix in India, reflecting the company's strong content slate and strategic focus on the region. India became the second largest market for Netflix in terms of new paid subscribers in the June quarter of 2024. Netflix added 8.05 million subscribers globally during the second quarter, with 2.83 million coming from the Asia Pacific region, which include India. The APAC region was the biggest geography for member additions, with revenue growing to $1.5 billion, up to 14.5% from the same quarter last year. Netflix overall revenue rose to $9.56 billion for the quarter, marking a 16.8% growth over the previous year. At last, Apple has responded to allegations from an investigative report by Outage, which claimed that Apple, Nvidia, and Anthropic used subtitles from 173.536 YouTube videos to develop their open-source OpenELM models. Apple has clarified its stance on the matter, emphasizing its commitment to user privacy and ethical AI development. The report claimed Apple used data from YouTube videos to train its AI models, alleged that OpenELM models released in April were developed using this data. Apple confirmed it did not use the OpenELM model to power any of its AI or machine learning features, including Apple Intelligence. The OpenELM model was designed solely for research purposes and to contribute to the research community. Apple reiterated that its AI models are trained on licensed data and publicly available data collected by its web crawler, Applebot. Users' private personal data or interaction are not used in training Apple Foundation models. Web publishers have the option to opt out of the use of their web content for Apple Intelligence training with a data usage control. This is Harshit signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for all your tech updates.